Welcome to FlexiQ. FlexiQ is a new queue management system with appointment booking. In this video, I will show you how customers book an appointment online. First of all, customers open a web browser and go to the public website. There are few places on the website where customers can click to book an appointment. Once customers have clicked on the link, they will be directed to this appointment booking page. Customers need to fill in their name, mobile number, and email. Next, customers select state, branch, and service from the drop-down lists. Once the above are selected, the system will show the appointment time slot on the calendar. Time slots in gray are not available for booking. These time slots are either fully booked on weekends, public holidays, or closed for some other reasons. Select your preferred appointment date and time by clicking on the available slot. The selected slot will be highlighted and reserved temporarily for your final confirmation. You can also navigate to other dates and times using the navigation buttons here. Click on the checkbox and the Book an Appointment button to make the appointment. If the customer has canceled the appointment, the slot will be opened up for booking again. Once an appointment is booked successfully, the system will send its confirmation and reminder via both SMS and email to the customer. However, customers can only book one appointment on a particular day. If the customer already has an appointment on the selected date, the system will notify the customer and display the existing appointment's details. The system will also send an SMS and an email reminder to customers a day before their appointment. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, we have shown you how customers book an appointment online. Thank you again and hope that you have enjoyed this video.